Hello everybody. Our group is made up of Carlberto, Veronica, Fabio, and Daria, and we present Humanitas. I don't want to talk about the history of Humanitas. We have made infographics with a picture chart with some data about this hospital. Only one curiosity, Harvard Business School has used Humanitas 3 times as a case study of management of the private system. Let's see the outcomes of our result in the customer journey of the Humanitas and other competitors that we have chosen. We have chosen for Europe, San Raffaele, and in Italy, and Islanden for Switzerland, and for the rest of the world, Integris for US, and HMC Israel for Israel. As we can see from the sheet and the graphs, the two best hospitals are Integrisoc and HMC Israel, but it can be seen as normal since they have an American system that is a more focused on private system. Even if the site of Humanitas for us in Italy seems very beautiful, has several defects, several problems. An example, they have bad booking and the pay system. Bad booking because you can book, but the problem is that they have to recall you and then they fix an appointment. And the pay system because you can pay in the site, but it's very, very difficult to find how and where. And the other problem is the lack of the site during the searching in the search engines, because they are present in the Google, is in the first pages with several words. But the problem is that in Bing and Yahoo, they are not present, or in the first pages. And Bing and Yahoo is the 25% of the market share, so it's not so bad. Humanitas is instead very good for what concerns the material that we can find in the site. In example, illness, doctors, and how they work, and the response time of the pages, because we have tried with different connection and different devices. So let's see our ideas with Daria.
Yes, so we would like to propose several ideas which will help Humanitas to improve its online presence. First of all, the hospital should pay more attention to English and Russian version of the site because not every information is provided, and if to pay attention to Russian sites, the quality of translation is not so well. Of course, sometimes hospitals should pay more attention to social media advertising campaign to increase the recognition of the brand and the number of its followers. And we would suggest that the site should add sharing buttons on the page of the site, such as Facebook, Google Plus, and Twitter, so the users can directly share from each page of the site. Also, we suppose that sites should create the system for the users where they can plan or cancel the appointment, and in general, online manager whom they can ask general questions or to ask him to find information more quickly. And one of our ideas is to work better on the content of the site about its sales strategy to make the positions even more higher. So in general, also one point was that site is not very usable for tablets and mobile phones, just for iPhones.
All right. To improve the market presence of this company, we decided to build a new app. Indeed, we saw that the app that is already available on the internet is a really badly reviewed with 12 bad reviews out of 12, and it's only available for Apple, so it's only 44% of the market share is smartphones. Moreover, it doesn't allow people to make reservation or stuff like that, so it's quite useless. Given these two issues, we carried out an analysis of the market, and we decided to base our app upon two keywords, which are diversification of the market and intuitiveness. Indeed, we know that the average age of people in a hospital is quite high, so we made sure that the app would be as straightforward as possible to be used, and we saw that people in this hospital are divided up into two categories: people who are willing to spend a lot of money because they just need a private hospital, and those who are not willing to spend a lot of money because they just end up at the hospital for a sudden reason. And now Veronica is going to show you the way the app actually works.
As Fabio already said, the existing app doesn't work as expected. So we thought about create a new prototype of the new app. You can see it on an Apple Store, for example. And our app has the home, a very intuitive home and easy to understand. Here you can book online. We would like to focus on the booking online, My Care Plan and rooms. And we create also the FAQ section to fill the gap with the communication with the patients. On the book online, patients are able to book all the visits, but we would like to focus on the added service in addiction. We're taking inspiration from the sector of tourism, as TourNotel does, and the patient is able to choose paying a fee, to choose if go in a single bedroom, or choose also the decision of the bed in case of his double bedroom, and you can choose the near window bed or outside, other side. On the additional services, we had 3 packages based on the lengthness of the statement. We divided into long, medium, and short stay. But the inmate can choose also single services such as Wi-Fi and nursery service. We thought about the nursery service for older people who may need someone to stay at night, and relatives don't need to become crazy to find someone in a hasty way. We would like to focus also in My Care Plan, that is the section in which the patient is able to organize all of his appointments, and the hospital is also able to add all the appointments through the online section on the account, personal account of the patient, so that okay, I'm almost finished. So the creation of the app is only graphic by now. We created by ourselves, but we estimate that an app like this needs more or less 18 weeks, and with an application online, we estimate almost $60,000 to make it. 60,000. Thank you. We use How Much for an App application that I asked to one of my friends that create an app, and obviously we have a developer packet. Already we have it, but obviously if we can find someone who wants to pay us, we can make it real. Thank you for the attention.